Hey guys, here's Natalia from Mamatime Posh. I am in my favorite thrift store. Oh, here, let me take this off. And I'm gonna take you with me for a little thrift with me video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. My mission for the day is to find things I can sell on Real Real, trying to focus, which is very hard for me, and not buy anything else. Just try to buy things that I can sell for $50 plus. But it is, I'm sure you know, hard to do when you see cute stuff and you know you could sell it yourself. But I'm gonna really try hard. So come join me. Bye. I usually start with purses because they have a lot of purses in this thrift store, and they're really pretty good. So I find a lot of designer items, but not always they're in the right condition or the right price. So here you'll see me finding, this is obviously a knockoff. I'm just looking for the right brand and right price. As you see, this can be a lot of work, especially that they have hundreds of bags in the store, and it all might look all the same to you, but over time you kind of see usually the quality without even touching. Here I found this one. I believe this was Makovsky, which I love selling that brand, but not for that price. My thrift store used to sell the Makovsky before they knew what it was for just a few bucks, but now they really price it very high. This is genuine Gucci, or I think it is. It has serial number, but it's very damaged, so I decided to leave it behind. Yeah, I love checking different brands. This is brand definitely worth picking up. But yeah, I pick up first, fill up my cart, and then I look through each bag little by little and check counts, check quality, wear, see if it's really worth it. So I continued with the bags, because as you see they keep going on, but I just decided to move on to jackets and show you some jackets for a change. I hope you're still enjoying this video. Please stay on and see what I missed, because I bet I missed a million things, a million good brands that I still don't know. So if you saw something that you know it's worth picking up and I missed it, let me know. Decided to pick up this Giorgio Armani vintage jacket because it's plaid and it was half price. So I don't always pick up Giorgio Armani. It seems to sit for a long time, but when it sells it's usually a pretty good amount, and their stuff is obviously great quality and known to many people, so it does eventually sell for a good amount. But yeah, still try to pick items that are trendy now. And that one, I thought it was right on trend with plaid and fall right now, and it's wool, so I picked it up. So here I picked up this torrid blazer. It was super cute, and it was plus size and like very modern look and nice fit. But unfortunately, I noticed it had a lot of defects and marks, so I decided to leave it behind later. Here I decided to move on to shoes, and as you see they have tons and tons of shoes, and I always check before I go to shoes, I check belts, and I usually find pretty good vintage belts or designer belts, but now I'm looking at all the shoes, and that took me a very long time. Those videos are pretty short. I was there about 5 hours in this store, and I only went through like 2-3 parts of, no, probably like not even a half of the store. So yeah, that just shows you how giant those places are and how much time and energy it really takes. Here I was finding some pretty good brands, but a lot of them had really horrible wear on them or broken off pieces and so on, so I didn't really find too much about those Stuart Weitzman boots, but I actually ended up putting them back later, and also those, which is Jack I think Rogers, and those would be pretty good, but then they had to be cleaned and fixed, and just too much work, especially for the price, so I left those behind. Those were very cute. I think they were Valentino's, I believe, but they wanted, I think, like $50 for them, so no thank you. Yeah, that's the problem. They know the brands too. You watch the videos and learn. Here I went to plus size tops. I picked up this Calvin Klein shirt. I thought it was very nice for especially this season now, and it's plus size and pretty classic, but with a pop of color, red, and also it had like a sheer sleeve and little piping on the collar, so I thought it was cute. I enjoy looking for plus size pieces, but they have to be something special or something that's trendy. You know, everybody wants trendy items in any size, so I look for things that would be nice for the person, something that people really are looking for, which is very hard. I feel like, especially in the store, the plus size section usually doesn't have much to choose from. Usually it's very bland, plain things. Not too often I find a gem, but I still like to include all different sizes and different styles, but it has to be something special. I saw a few interesting pieces. I think that was all Cassini. This one was also pretty with the crushed velvet and this fuzzy sweater, but the prices were really high and just either had some wear or were just not or were just too expensive. So that's the problem. Often I feel like they price higher for the plus sizes. I don't know, do you guys see that too in your stores? Let me know. Now you see my giant stuffed cart. Okay, I'm done, exhausted. I hope you guys like this format of video and you saw how it works and how much hard work it is, really. So I'll go home now and I'll probably have to split it in two and have the haul in second, or we'll see. I'll try to, you know, cut it and make it more interesting and yeah, make a haul of all the items I end up purchasing, and I'll mark what I did not take and why. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.